in depth. And that's us.
Stream is like the pitching session is recorded, no worries about that at all. We're just handling the issue what's around with YouTube right now. So let's make a short pause for like 1 or 2 minutes. Dan, please go ahead with them fixing the issue with the YouTube, please. And meanwhile, guys, the investors who are here right now, it's such a what's your take on that while we're fixing the issue with the YouTube side?
By the way, I have an update. It fixed, so yeah. I appreciate if you can ask some questions. So Matthew can answer them for our YouTube viewers.
So Ron, you unmuted yourself. You want to share something?
Oh, sorry. I did it by accident, but I'm just glad that the audio is fixed because I was watching on YouTube the first 10 minutes. So I'll have to come back and re-listen to the first 10 minutes of the pitch. So I'll have to do that first. But good luck.
Yeah, we are really sorry. We are really sorry for this issue. We have no idea why it happened. I think maybe the issue of the YouTube itself, but again, no worries. We will send the recording format for all the speakers and participants so that you can go ahead and listen once. And again, you need some help or you need some information. Please feel free to drop the questions. We're always here to help. Alrighty, like Matthew, extremely sorry once more, but no worries. The recording will be sent. Sorry for having this issue. So, okay, guys, if you don't mind, we will move forward to Tapir. Guys, Jacob, your mic is yours.
Hi, guys. My name is Jacob. I'm a co-founder of Tapir Protocol. Let me share my screen.
Can we just make one step back? We have a question in the chat, Hannah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, just seen that. Jacob, I will steal a minute from your attention. I'm really sorry.
No problem. No problem.
Sonia is Matthew. The question is to you. So Sonia is asking, when is the token launching, tokenomics, and any pre-sale? Maybe you can share this information.
Yes, that's great. Yeah, I was typing the answer to you. Yeah, the token launching, our token launch is actually going to be February. We're not going to try to get in the Christmas, Christmas is a strange time for retail investors. So we're going to hold off to February 2026. Date is being finalized, but probably be around the 3rd week. Tokenomics are available if you can reach me in Telegram. I can share the blurb which has the tokenomics. And yes, there is a pre-sale. Correct. There is a private round pre-sale that will be happening, and we will also be doing a community pre-sale on AlphaMind closer to the time as well.
Thanks, Matthew. Yeah, Jacob, your mic is yours.
Oh yeah. So hey guys, one more time. I'm Jacob from Tapir Protocol. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen. In case if you could move the app zoom a bit, like make it smaller.
This one?
Yeah, this one, because it literally crossed the part of your page.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, so yeah, so Tapir Protocol, we're focusing on DPEG protection marketplace. So in recent 5 years, there has been more than 1,000 DPEGs, and there have been like 1.2 billion lost in those DPEGs. So it's kind of a serious issue in DeFi. and we come with a solution. We created the DPEG protection marketplace. It's kind of a unique solution. Usually some institutional players or some conservative players are all looking for this type of solution because nobody wants to get depegged for obvious reasons. Our main focus right now is for high yield products and to de-risk them. And our solution is 100% capital efficient. Here is some example. For example, we have like base yield 15% in the pool, and there's two sides. One is protection buyers, people who really wants to be safe and don't get the DPEG, or even if the DPEG happen, they're full covered. So they for the small part of the yield, in this case it's like 3%, they buy a DPEG protection, and there's also the other part, yield the buyers who know the market good, and they did their due diligence, they know what they're doing, and they want some extra yield, so they will sell the DPEG protection, and they will get extra yield. Yeah, it's, I think, yeah. So our solutions, I think it's very, very unique. There's no like we don't have to do like complicated due diligence because it's a marketplace. There is no risk that underwriters will fail, etc. Right now we're almost ready to launch. Our protocol will be live at the end of the year, and right now we in a pre-seed round we already have some investment promises and some TVLs, and we're looking for more. Right now we're looking for 800,000 at 10 million valuation. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer.
To be honest, I have one from my side. Maybe
Sure.
you can give us some short insights about, like you mentioned that your product is pretty unique. Maybe you can give us some bullet points about this uniqueness, like in more simple language, because to be honest, I really see the potential in the product, but I want to know it deeper, like what's making you unique from your like from the other projects in the market. Would be lovely to hear that.
So normal project, if you want an insurance against the DPEG, you go to some insurer, and then they will evaluate the risk, and that they will tell you the price. You buy the insurance with them. And then if DPEG happen, you go to them and ask for the compensation. In our solution, it's a marketplace. It's usually integrated. We are looking forward, for example, integration with the Pandas. So you go to high yield pool, you buy a top-tier DPEG protection, and when DPEG happen, you are automatically compensated. You're not affected with DPEG.
Thanks a lot. And you mentioned that you also have already some TVLs. Maybe some insights on that, like some detailed
Yes,
data.
we already have one partner who promised us with 1 million in TVL. So yes, so yeah, we have that right now.
Gotcha. Thanks a lot. Okay, that's I think the questions from my side. Guys, feel free to ask your questions like Ron and Joshua, Simon, anyone from the investors board. Feel free, like your stage is yours. Anyone? Or it's pretty clear to you?
I have one question. I just curious. Who is the protector? So you have some agreements with banks already, or who will be able to protect?
No, I mean it's the marketplace. So there's a two sides. There's one side who's buying DPEG protection, and there is other side who's providing it with the higher yield. It's in this case it's a yield buyer against protection buyer. And in the beginning, we need some partners who will help us with the liquidity, but otherwise it's a marketplace. So there's always two sides.
Will buy this protection, or other provide this protection and earn some yield from that.
Yes. So here's some example, as you can see, like Bob and Sean. And even here's an example when there was 5% DPEG, what happened?
Yeah, I got it. That's pretty interesting.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Jacob. Guys, in case you have any questions, you can ask them right now, or we will just move for the cross Q&A and you will ask your feedback or tell your feedback or provide your questions there. Okay, Jacob, thanks a lot for sharing your pitch. I'm stealing the mic from you and giving it to Higher
No
Network.
problem.
So guys, walk ahead, give us a short intro about yourself. What are you guys doing? And we are ready to hear your pitch. Jake, mic is totally yours.
Yes, so now it's my turn, right? Yeah, lovely to hear you guys. Now you can see my screen.
And we can see your
the market opportunity in right now. For AI infrastructure, 151 billion for AI infrastructure, and also for cloud computing, it's 1,554 billion, 1.9 billion, and also for e-computing, it's 55.9 billion. So there's a lot of money putting on the infrastructure right now. So this is the very opportunity good for us. So for our key global chain in decentralized AI infrastructure, so nowadays the compute discretion and GPU sharing network, so that's all managed by the render ICAS and JSync. They own the pioneer in global GPU network. So most retain focus on training, not real-time inferencing. So that's an opportunity for us that we can utilize on this. And next, we can shift to the AI and NGPU utilization. So we can utilize not only the GPU, not only the CPU, but also the NPU for utility for doing the task for AI. And we utilize all the free, not using in the market right now. About the data ownership for labeling as a value. So the project like Ocean Protocol, and also last time you can see the BitSensor, they put the data access. So, but no full stack for marketplace, just match. So for labeling, for modeling, hosting, for inferencing, and compute stack and own everything we can shown in the Hydra network system right now. And the rise of sovereign AI infrastructure, the government right now in UAE, India, Nigeria, and all the one to seek for sovereign compute and sovereign model. We can help the data is sovereign by the government also. So right now we can see the problem. All big tech take all the control for 63% right now for all of enterprise cloud spending and 92% for data center for AI GPU market. And also the price very high right now. You see the cost for the NVIDIA Tesla. You can see from 2,000 2,500 for the cost very costly. And also for GPU unit cost is around 25,000. And also the certification for computation waste. And now it's 121 billion unused compute for our yearly worldwide. And also for Hyper for entry. So for the AI and machine learning company facing the project delay for 84.7%, and also block innovation a lot is for 96.9% due the GPU security and also high compute cost. And that's why we are here, Highland Network. So we're doing for the architecture for decentralized infrastructure. So we not only start by the app, but we start for the infrastructure. We connect the edge computing device, we connect the AI model, and also we utilize the GPU for the training infrastructure for AI. So on the how it works tech stack, I will send you the document later on. That's how we can utilize the device, how we can utilize the CPU and also GPU for the user can do a lot of things, the tasks in here. And also our unique value proposition, that's we can integrate the edge computing and GPU combined architecture so that we utilize all kinds of GPU not used to be the GPU can use. And also we multi-asset AI intelligence in the one marketplace we call Hydra Mega. And also we are the first company doing the full stack for the layer 3 blockchain for the purpose for building AI. And also, of course, we public-private protocol for DAO model, and that can be help everyone can be managed on the network also, and data belong for everyone. So it's our platform layer and also compute layer and blockchain layer in here for make sure the node AI and GPU can be compiled and managed by the DAO governance. That's managed by everyone, and everyone can be have the benefit from your device, from your computer, and also from your GPU that we can sharing. And SMB company and also own the AI training model, you can earn more the benefit when you have the GPU with the very low cost. And also you have device availability, you can earn more by token, and also doing the task, we earn more the money. So here we are, the business model. So we platform player, we using for marketplace around 50 to 20% market fee, and also Google. We have now it's around 4,000 per month for the income, and also data labeling for 0.1 dollar per item when do inferencing. And also, of course, we're doing for GPU rental from 300 to 3,000 a month. So we do a lot of things in here for revenue model from the client and sharing with the device owner, GPU owner, and also we have the business model in here. And also we have the device already, and also application for Hydra Network do a lot of inferencing in here. You can download Hydra AI and do the task and also earn more money with your device in Apple Store and Google Store. And also our Jackson now, we have 2.7 million devices connecting our Hydra Network over for 200 countries, and also we have more 10 B2B clients. And of course, the Jackson is 1.2 million users already KIC, and also revenue our 3-week quarter is 500K. And also for Google, we have here, and in our network, 600K not availability for you can use, you can deploy AI model, you can deploy your server in here. So we will do some comparison between the big tech, and also you can see the price, our cheaper around 20% to 85% for the competitor right now in the market. And also we have the plan for expansion. That's not only in Southeast Asia, not only on Middle East. We also want to expand to Europe, India, and another country in North America and Africa. And also we have tokenomic, of course. We will launching the token on the December. And we have tokenomic in here. If you want, just ping me on the highlightenetwork.com and I will share you the tokenomic and all the information detail. And we have some milestone on our roadmap. We already launching mainnet of Hara network, and we are already launching the Xenoclorid proof. That you can do the AI task without touching on dataset and own everything on chain. And also we want to be rise 5.36 million per the visit 18 months via the subs. We have John, we have Jake here, CEO also group CTO. I have 15 years for technology experience on the AI and also blockchain. And all our team have experience on the Web3 and also the finance can help the team moving forward. So we have partnership with Concom who provide us the technology for the edge computing. And also we partnership with some partner also the CETIC who audit our smart contract and also partner here. So I think it's that enough for me, from my side. Thank you.
You made it in 9 minutes. I was just about to interrupt you, but you made it. You nailed it. Thanks a lot for your presentation, your pitching. Guys, feel free to drop any questions within the chat or like simply unmute yourself and provide the questions here, or like move into the cross Q&A, sessions with the questions. Thanks, Jake. Again, like 30 seconds question. Is there any questions from this side, maybe from the team, from the investors, or from participants here? Okay, I think we can move forward. So thanks a lot, Jake. Stealing the mic from you and giving it to Fin Studio. Guys, can you hear me? Can you demonstrate your screen? Maybe show your faces.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thanks, Jake.
My screen. Yeah.
So yeah, we cannot see you, to be honest, and we cannot see your screen.
Okay, you should see my screen. Do you see my screen?
Yeah, now we can see your screen, but still can see you.
I'm just gonna wait you guys.
Yeah, hey, now we can see you. Yeah, the mic is yours.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off my cam. Okay, so hi guys, nice meeting you. I represent company FinSystems. I'm founder of FinSystems. Just a little about myself. I've been in finance like all my professional life, basically. Started back in 1997. Last 7 years I spent performing various controlled functions for FCA regulated brokerage. Over the course of time, I basically watched many people, traders, having numerous problems, with technology. I worked on both sides, worked with traders, then on buy side. This is like decades of experience, which accumulated into, me starting a startup called FinSystems. Basically, it's ecosystems of products built for traders. Our main product is FinStudio. It's a trading platform. And there will be additional services that will be released after release of FinStudio. So a little bit of background. Electronic markets have been around since like middle of 90s. Electronic trading, it's new industry basically that rose from development of technologies and internet and all of this. Basically all markets are automated now. Everything is online. People don't trade on floors anymore. Everything goes through computers and internet. A little bit the background to brokers. These are market participants, broker or exchange. These are institutions who provide trading to their clients. Usually back in the day, you would go and you would have a broker, and you would call your broker, who would call the representative on the floor. They would place your order. Doesn't really work like that anymore. So now you have electronic brokers or exchanges where people can open an account and can trade anything from their home or anywhere. And being broker, mostly, there are multiple things you need to basically to operate a brokerage or exchange. But everything is based on technology. Like technology is the core of everything, and everything relies on very complicated systems. So basically, what we do is we provide these systems to the brokers or exchanges and also retail clients. So our main product is a trading platform. If we go and look what is out there, this is relatively young industry, but there are only few established trading platforms. And this is misconception. By trading platform, I don't mean exchange, web-based trading interface. By trading platform, I mean established trading platform, that supports different markets. Many of them are kind of outdated. This is MetaTrader. This is NinjaTrader, which was acquired by Kraken for $1.5 billion. This is Binance Simple Interface. And problem of this trading platform is that they were built for specific markets. For example, via MetaTrader, you can trade only certain markets. NinjaTrader was originally built for futures markets. And then you have very simple crypto exchanges trading UIs. I call them trading UIs. On back end, that is the trading platform, but front end, that's just a simple trading UI. So we decided to build something different, and this is our solution, trading platform FinStudio. So it's a modern, new generation, I could say, trading platform that supports all markets. We are not shutting the doors, in front of and we are not concentrating on just a single market, but we are able to attract traders or communities on each of these markets. So we fully support crypto, futures and options or commodities, equities, and Forex. So all of these markets, the volume traded through these markets is huge. Every single trade needs to be traded through some trading platform. It's really hard to imagine how much volume and how much money is, and there is fee for each trade going through, and it needs to go through some software. If the order is placed on the market, there is always technology fee. For every single trade, there is cost for technology. So it's already, incorporated into the fees. So it's big market. We are able to, offer our services to traders, not only in crypto, but to anyone on any single market. We can connect FinStudio to Chicago Mercantile Exchange or to any crypto exchange or fund. So basically, we support any financial protocol or any connector. As to our business model, it's a B2B business model. We can work with any financial institutions that offers trading and whether they trade on their own account or provide trading as service to their clients. So we can connect to any of them and offer them white label solution. They can use our software and our technology to offer their clients or for their own trading. So there are tens of thousands of potential clients. We can, work with established brokerages or funds or banks or exchanges. And this is how it works on traditional market. It's still relatively new on the crypto market, but on crypto market, you end up with this. cockpit interface with TradingView charts. So you can think of us as TradingView just for full trading platform, not just the charts. In terms of business model, we license the whole thing, the whole trading platform, basically. For retail clients, we are just launching. So for retail clients, we will offer monthly or annual subscriptions, and there is a limited time annual subscription, lifetime subscription, where people first 1,000 buyers will be able to buy FinStudio lifetime license for $1,799. With our token, the prices are discounted for monthly or annually. So if people buy and hold and own our token, they have a discounted subscription or the lifetime license. In terms of functionality, this is, these platforms that have been around, they didn't go through any significant changes. MetaTrader has been stuck, or even NinjaTrader or similar platforms, they've been stuck for many years, not changed. So we have over 15 modules. Documentations from FinStudio is over 1,500 pages. So it's a huge application. I do not have time to go through functionality or whatever. Our FinScript, we have our own programming language, FinScript, to build the tools for FinStudio. There are only like 15 trading languages on the world covering markets, besides proprietary by the banks but these are the trading platform languages, and we are excelling already, and this is only for the first version that we are about to release. But it's, TradingView PineScript is it's very basic language for scripting. So it's, and these are just examples to show you like what FinStudio is like good at, or we compared Binance desktop trading application or trading platform.
Vladimir, I'm sorry, I need to interrupt you, like 30 seconds left.
Okay.
Could you please maybe give us like short bullet point within the 30 seconds, and we'll move on to the next topic.
We visited several events. There's traction, there is interest in the product. We have a strong team, everybody 25 years plus experience in a core team. And we raised 10 million. We are raising via token and equity. Valuation is 28 million. We are raising, there's 10% available via equity round, and there are tokens available. So it can be a mix or either or, basically. So very briefly, that's very hard to explain. This project is really complex.
Yeah, we can understand. I mean, sometimes it's extremely hard to explain everything that you have in mind and you've developed for ages within like just 10 minutes or even less, like 9 minutes time frame. Thanks a lot for sharing the information. Thanks a lot for your pitching. And yeah, we can move on to the next topic of our conversation, the cross Q&A. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to jump in, to drop it by, like maybe some questions from our investors, maybe some questions from you guys as the participants. And of course, the questions from the hosts here are always welcome. So anyone would love to jump in with the questions? Okay, I think no questions here right now are jumping in the hat. Maybe some of them will jump in later, and you can ask them within the communities or within the direct messages through Telegram or the comments under the live stream. Meanwhile, guys, would be lovely to jump to the maybe short investor feedback before we ramp up and head to the thanking words from our hosts. So, guys, Ron, maybe like Mike here, anyone from the investor side would love to share maybe a short feedback through the companies. Maybe you have something in your mind. Maybe something caught your attention and you want to know a bit deeper. Guys, feel free to unmute yourself and give us a short feedback. That would be really lovely and helpful for our projects to understand whether they're heading the right direction or maybe something is missing from the position of the narrative of the product itself, or something is really good that they're just need more within the gosh, sorry, like mixing a lot of words. So yeah, like feel free to unmute yourself, guys. Yeah, thanks, Mike. I'll chime in when I have questions. Thanks. Maybe some feedback, like guys, it's really helpful.
Yeah, sure. Let me pick up the mic here real quick. So first of all, thanks for the pitches. Interesting projects, interesting concepts. Love to see that there's already traction and going on in most cases. Again, I missed part of the first one, so I will go back later and check that out in detail. Feedback wise, especially for the last one, maybe a question because you already raised 10 million in equity. We'd love to know what the funds were used for and what the next phase is, where those funds are needed for. Kind of missed that. I think that's due to the time constraint. So interested in that, and we can talk about that later. But overall, yeah, I think it's a long pitch. So especially for people watching, a lot of information in a very short time. Of course, I think it's very much needed to get your point across, but I know a lot of people can only watch for a certain period of time before they get distracted. So I think it was overall was pretty good. Love the information, love the details, and I will check it out in my own time after this call. And get you guys some feedback personally if you're interested, and maybe do a quick call to get more information out of it. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Maybe Vladimir, you can answer the question like Ron raised regarding the funds destination.
Okay, hi. I didn't have time to finish, and basically, this is a very complex financial application that we were building for like 5-6 years. It's not some MVP or, in my deck, there's a preview of our MVP, which we did after like first year, and you will see it's like really, it's very basic. So the application has over 50 modules. Most of the money went into development, basically. What we do is you cannot like wipe code, or you cannot, you need proper people who can program such things. Like we have a PhD software engineers working on this. As I said, it's like it's a multiple services in one. So you don't have to get thousands worth of software. You just get one FinStudio, our trading platform. And it's not only trading platform, but also analytical platform. So we are launching it now, and basically it's available to download. So this is how the money was spent. It was mostly development, and now we finished first phase, and now we are moving into second phase, where we have the strong product, which we want to start selling basically, and that's why we are seeking investment. For this part, we want to launch and marketing and all of this. So basically, you can check the product. You can consult it because usually I meet with. As I said, it's a very complicated financial application, but it's for everybody. It can be used by beginners. We can make it into very simple crypto-like platform, but it can be used by professionals. They will find everything there. So yeah, that's what we raised the money for, and that's how we spend it, maybe for the development of the product.
Thanks, Vladimir. Ron, I hope you got the answer for your question.
Yeah, and I understood it. It makes sense. I'd love to dive into that a little more after this, but I appreciate the response. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. I think it's time, like, since we don't have much questions right now, thanks, Ron, again, for standing up and sharing your feedback and asking the questions. I think it's time to ramp up already. It was extremely productive pitch sessions. As for me, I found a lot of new good projects, and it's it's extremely important to stay in touch with the good projects within our lives, right? Especially within these market conditions. Well, thanks a lot for our investors to head into our pitch session, having a time and listening to all these pitches that were given, and getting, I think, more interesting projects on the horizon. Thanks a lot, guys. And then I'm giving the mic to you.
Yes, thank you so much, our team, for hearing our Hira network pitching, and also our own project in here is very nice. And I hope the chance to be connect with you guys can be add more value together when we sharing our project. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, we do have a question from Richard. So how do we get in touch with the projects? Dan, maybe you can answer this one.
Yeah, sure. So we have groups with all of you guys. So just ping me and highlight projects that you're interested to chat with, and I will create a group for you.
Thank you.
Thanks for answering. Yeah, I think it's already time to wrap up. Again, thanks a lot. And Dan, your last words, your mic is totally yours.
Yeah, thanks again, guys. Thank for joining us today. It was really nice to see good projects with already traction, which is really important because every day we have meetings with many projects, just pure ideas, and here I can see good early stage projects with potential, with markets, etc. So thanks, guys. I wish you good luck with fundraising. Hopefully our investors also can be interested in that, and you can continue your discussion. And also big shout out to our partners, Anna, to you for co-hosting this event. Also Sonia from Orbis 86 also helped us a lot with organization. And we will continue this practice with demo days. And next one will be in mid of December, 10th of December already. We picked a date. So please follow us, follow our partners in social media, and stay tuned. So thank you once again. Have a nice day or end of the day, depends on your time zone. And let's continue this and move forward.
Thanks a lot, guys. It was a pleasure having this nice conversation today. And as Dan mentioned, more are coming. We're planning to do bi-monthly pitch sessions with the great and decent projects and connecting with investors. So have a nice day and bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys. Yeah, bye-bye.
Recording stopped.